Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I take my hair from this to this using Nutree's Brazilian Botox Expert on my curly hair as well as on my straight hair. Starting with an old wash and go. This wash and go is about 8 or 9 days old. So I'm going to wash my hair with a clarifying shampoo, and I'm going to skip conditioning so that my hair will be nice and clean to apply the product. To get the best results, I'm taking my time and smoothing the product through my hair. The directions also read to smooth the hair down in linear strands, so that's what I'm doing here. Here's the difference in what my hair looks like with the product applied and without it. Now I'm going to leave the product in my hair for 30 to 40 minutes while I finish my shower. The first thing I noticed when I went to rinse my hair out was how soft and smooth my hair felt. I was really impressed with how quick it transformed the feel of my hair. So I'm rinsing my hair out thoroughly and squeezing out all of the water so that I can allow my hair to air dry so we can really see what it does. This is my hair air dried with no product in it. My curls are somewhat defined even though my hair is color treated at the ends. My hair also feels really soft and the definition is really impressive for me to not have any product in my hair. Here's a close-up of the product and its packaging. It has the consistency of lotion and it smells like bubblegum. Moving on to how I use this product on my straight hair, we're starting off with clean blow-dried hair, and we're going to apply the product and smooth it into our hair just as we did before. This Brazilian Botox Expert treatment is a thermal multi-control mask. It's made for anti-frizz, hydration, and reconstruction of the hair. I'm making sure to smoothen this product from root to tip in my hair because it claims to help with frizz, and since I'll be straightening my hair, I want to make sure that the product is fully coated in my hair so that there's no frizz.
I don't know why it's making my eyes water while I'm applying this, but I feel like it's important to document so that you guys know that your eyes may be sensitive to this product.
Now that the product is fully applied in my hair, I'm smoothing it in once again from root to tip, making sure everything is fully coated. Now we leave the product in our hair for 30 to 40 minutes again, but when we rinse it out, we're going to leave just a little bit still in our hair. It's important to blow dry your hair vertically using the tension method so that your hair is as straight as you can get it before you even pick up a flat iron. I like using the chase method when straightening my hair because it gives me the smoothest results. The chase method is using a fine-tooth comb or a bristle brush to chase your hair before you flat iron it so that it smooths the hair before the flat iron gets to it. I noticed using the chase method on my blow-dried hair gave me results with one pass of the flat iron, which was really impressive. I was so impressed with the results of this product. My hair is soft, it's smooth, it's frizz-free, and I have no product in it. No serum, no oils, nothing. My hair also lasted 3 weeks straight, which is not normal for me. So that's how I know that this treatment actually worked. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next